Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 44. Write a program to print floor of number by using C++ floor built-in function. Okay, we'll use the C++ built-in function for flooring, and we will use our floor function that we create together. For example, if the user insert 10.9 or 10.3, the result should to be 10 because we do flooring for the number, even if it was more than 10.5, because with round 10.5 it will give us 11. 10.4 it will give us 10. But with flooring, even it was 10.5, 10.6, 10.9, it will give us also 10 flooring. We take the down, round down. So if it was 10.9 or 10.3, it will give us 10. For example, if the user insert 10.5, also give us 10. If the user insert a negative number, minus 10.7, it will give us minus 11, because minus 11 is smaller minus 10.7. Okay, so now let's go to Visual Studio to convert this requirement of this problem into code. All right, this is our solution of problem number 44. Write the program to print floor of number by using C++ floor. Sorry, I didn't change it from the previous lesson. By using C++ floor built-in function, and we will use our floor function method. Okay, so let's do run to check it out together. Before we go to explain the code, it's easy and small program. Please enter a number. Let's say 10.3. 10.3, it will give me what? 10, because it's less than 10.5, for example, if you use round function. But flooring, even if you insert 10.5, it will give me 10. Why? Because you take the number to down. Okay, even if we insert 10.9, please insert a number 10.9, it will give me also 10. Why? Because we do flooring, we use floor function. And if we insert a negative number, for example, minus 10.9, it will give me 11, minus 11. Okay, so how we build this program? First thing we have here, integer number, read my number from the user, display the floor. My floor function result is the string. Okay, we called my floor function, we give it the number, for example 10.3 or 10.9, you should make it 10. If the number greater than 0, which means we have positive number, the number that the user inserted and stored it inside a number variable, we have it as a positive number. 1.3, 10.3, all of these positive number. So while the number is positive number, we will say integer number. We'll make the number integer. For example, if the number stored inside it 10.9, its number or its integer number with function. So we want to make it just 10. We'll convert it to what? To integer. We'll cast it to integer by using integer data type next to the name of the number variable. So here it's come for us from the main function number 10.9, and take it here in the parameter 10.9, and if 10.9 greater than 0, yeah, so because it's positive number, go inside, return the number after you casting it. Casting to what? To integer data type. So the number was inside it 10.9, and we casting it to integer, the compiler will return for us 10. So like this, you do flooring. Okay, else if the user insert negative numbers, for example, it was minus 10.7, minus 10.3, we want to make it integer to delete the functions. Minus 10.7, we cast it to integer here by using integer data type next to the number variable, it will be minus 10, and we add minus 1 to be minus 11. Okay, so minus 1 here in return integer number, we take the function, we delete it, we erase it, we throw it away, and we just take the number, the integer one, and we also said minus 1 because it's negative, it should to be till down. Okay, 10.7, the smallest in it or the down of it, it shouldn't be 10 or minus 10, it should to be minus 11. For that we say minus 1. We take the number after we cast it to integer, and we say minus 1 to let the compiler return for us the correct result. So here we just say my floor function result is, we call our function to explain its logic now, and we call the built-in function of C++ library, C++ floor built-in function. We use the floor keyword, all of them lowercase. That was the lesson of today. That was the problem of today. Problem number 44. Write a program to print floor of number by using C++ image and our floor function. See you next lesson. Next problem. It will be the last lesson in this course. It's about ceiling function. Okay, we will know how the ceiling also work. We'll use the C++ built-in function, and we will build our ceiling function like the floor, around, and absolute, and skirt or square root. And it will be the last lesson. The next lesson will be the last lesson, lesson number 44. Sorry, number 45. and after that we will jump to the projects. We'll build projects together. Okay, so see you next lesson, in the last lesson.